Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Welcome to the third session of the Orthodontics module. And today we're going to talk about appliances in mixed dentition. And remember, every time that you see this little white tooth with a question mark next to it, that means that's a slide that you want to pay attention to because one or two questions might come up on the exam regarding this topic. First, before starting to talk about the appliances, I want to talk a little bit about biomechanics so you can understand a little bit better how the appliances really work. And well, let's talk about the Newton's third law. So this is a very, very important law. This is the law that all orthodontic appliances obey, so please pay attention to this definition.